Welcome to Wilderness Auto Service and Chevron and U-Haul in beautiful Maple Valley, Washington. If you're fortunate to live in this wonderful area, you've probably been to our place at some time, probably many times. I'm owner Eric Van Ruff, and I want to thank you for allowing us to serve our community for almost 50 years. And we've been located here on the Maple Valley Highway. We know we're your stop for gas, for munchies, for cold beverages, and auto service when you're going to work or coming home. We know you've come to rely on us for auto service and repair that keeps your vehicles running smooth. And we know you can count on us to fill your propane tanks and your RVs and barbecues. And we know our U-Haul service has helped you move things. So let me say thank you. Our lives are made better because you've stopped by. We'll see you next time.